Wishing Michael Lobo a very happy birthday, my best friend, and on behalf of the villagers and my Punch members, I would like to wish him a very, very happy birthday. On this day, I would like to thank Michael for all the support he's giving me, for me as well as for my village and the development works in a big way. You could say the hospital, the barn, the football, the social, like we have the park, the samud, the pond, and lots more which Michael has done. Whatever I go to him, he never says no. Again, thank you, Michael, on behalf of the villagers and Kanduli. Thank you.
I am Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Kandoli, Amalina Dias. I wish dynamic MLA Michael Lobo a very happy birthday. Almighty God bless him always and keep him always safe and sound. Happy birthday, sir. God bless you. Yeah.
John Rodriguez, Punch for Kandoli. I want to wish Michael today on his birthday special, which is 50 years, and it's a glorious to have a 50 years. We all like to have that. I wish him all the best, and he's been working hard for the Kalangur constituency, and God have blessed him. I wish him good health, prosperity, and all his wishes come true, and God bless him with a good health to continue working for the people of Kalangur constituency.
माझे नाव दिनेश गुरुदास मोरजकर, वॉर्ड मेंबर विलेज पंचायत कांदोली. हॅपी बर्थडे टू ऑनरेबल MLA Sri Michael Lobo and Chairman of GSRDC. Wish him good health, happiness, prosperity. As a whole, overall visionary leader. एक विजन घेऊन तो चलता आणि रिगार्डिंग डेव्हलपमेंट खूपशी कामां कांदोलीम पंचायतीक डेव्हलपमेंट वायज खूपशी घडोवन हाडल्या. PWD म्हणनाका WRD, तशेंच मेन म्हटल्यार हेल्थ सेंटर जे आतां थोड्याच टायमान रेडी जातले. विश हिम गुड हेल्थ वायज आनी एक विजन तेजें आहा पळय न्हू ते विजनान जी सगळीं कामां आतां पेंडींग उरल्या तीवूय कामां जावची अशें विश हिम गुड लक. थँक्यू वेरी मच.
या
म्हजें नांव निधी नामदेव परब, पंच मेंबर ऑफ वाडी आनी विलेज पंचायत कांदोली. सराक विश बर्थडेच्या निमतान 50वो बर्थडे. I wish you a very happy birthday, sir. You are always being good hearted and you are born with a golden heart. I thank you. You are always there for our lovable Kandolim village, and I wish you a very happy birthday and God bless you, sir. Thank you.
New vision, new ideas and new technology घेऊन तो फुडें वयता. एकदम हंबल, सिंपल आणि हार्ड वर्किंग मॅन. जायती बरी कामां तो करता. जेन्ना तेजे ऑफिसान जायतो लोक येता, घरा कडेन लोक वयता, एक आस्त्या तोंडान तो लोकांक वेलकम करता आनी जाता ते भाशेन लोकांची कामां करून तो दिता. सो आयज त्याच्या जल्मा सोमयार 50th बर्थडे तेजो जावन आसा. तेका देवा लागीं बरी साऊथ भलायकी मागता. तेका देवान राखून सांबाळून बरे भलायकेन दवरूं आनी ही सगळीं ताची बरी कामां फुडें व्हरूंक ताका जायते कृपेन आनी आशिर्वादान भरूं म्हूण देवा लागीं मागता.
My name is Perpetua Fernandez. I am a ward member from Panchayat, Kandolim Panchayat. Wishing Michael Lobo today a very happy birthday and wishing God bless him with happiness, good health and prosperity. Thank you, Michael Lobo, for always being there for Kandolim. God bless.
हांव वड्ड्यान सराचो कार्यकर्ता आसा. सरान इतले आमचे कामां केल्ली आसा की वाड्याचे आख्खे आमचे सगळे कांदोली कलंगूट खूब कामां केले ताका लागून तुका बर्थडे व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी विशींग तुका हे दिता शुभकामना दिता